Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the top best JK lift kit for 35-inch tires that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information and updated prices, you can check out the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. MotoFab Lifts 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler. MotoFab Lifts is one of the most popular brands around that sells lift kits, and for good reason. They make quality products that customers love, and they are usually pretty easy to install for those who know what they're doing. These bases are made from high-grade steel and include a lifetime warranty for customers. It is important to note that these bases will only fit on Jeep Wrangler JK4WD models from 2007 through 2018, though it does work on both the JK and JK Unlimited. Number 2. JKS Manufacturing 2007 to 2015 Jeep Wrangler. If you want a full suspension lift kit that will ensure your performance doesn't suffer and you don't mind spending a premium for it, this is our choice for the best JK lift kit for 35-inch tires. While it only works on 4-door Wrangler JK models, it offers unparalleled lift and performance. This kit comes with everything you need to achieve a 3.5-inch lift without missing a step, though it can be a little bit much for novices to install on their own. And the included instructions are very accurate and easy to follow. If performance is a must, this kit will make sure your truck is working at its capacity. Number 3. TrueTwo Jeep Wrangler JK 2 to 2.5 inches. Here we have another set of coil spacers, this time from these bases offer a more modest 2 to 2.5 inch lift if the first set of coil spacers were a little too high for you. If installed with a set of stock isolators, this kit will increase your Wrangler's lift by 2.5 inches, and without the isolators, it will raise it by 2 inches. Remember that experts recommend taking your vehicle in for an alignment anytime after a lift kit is installed. Number 4. Daystar Jeep JK Wrangler 1.75 inch. These Daystar 1.75 inches spacers are a basic but strong option for those who want the best JK lift kit for 35-inch tires. These will give you just enough clearance to fit your chosen tires and are made with high-quality polyurethane to last a long time. This kit also includes bump stops and rear sway bar brackets and should have no negative effect on vehicle performance like some other kits can have. Maintaining factory ride is important and there won't be any issues here. Daystar is a trusted brand and these spacers will certainly get the job done for you if all you need is a simple 1.75-inch lift. Number 5. Rough Country 2.5 inches. Rough Country is a name that causes some conflicted reactions, but with the right installation, it is a reliable budget lift kit. This kit is more extensive than spacers, so if this is all relatively new to you, it may be more than you want to install on your own. However, your local mechanic should be able to help you out quite easily, and you'll certainly feel the difference. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below.